So this is the awesome halter that just fell off, but isn't it amazing? So let me just put that on. And you get to see how somebody puts a halter on. Briar horse. I'm putting this on quickly so it's bad. Whoa, what happened? Oh, I know what happened. Sorry, nothing happened. So, awesome bridle, and this blanket that I made, it's kind of tie-dye. And this is Bluegrass Bandit, or Sierra, and I just love her. She's my baby, and then she's got her senior mix. But she still rides unfinished, really bad halter. I made it up shape. Another training saddle. Like training saddle, I mean like a person who's not using stirrups, just getting used to saddle, and also if you're training a horse to wear a saddle. Then we have a regular feed, which is that. Regular feed. Oh. So we have that. First aid. Random pole. Bucket. Digestive help feed. So we have some of that. And Marin Full, which is this. See, they have little tags. Marin Full. Compete. We have some competing mix. And senior. We have some senior mix. And then we have 2 blocks. Oh, sorry, I can't see. Lighting is horrible. Sorry. Okay. Just gonna quickly do this before it gets any darker. I don't want it getting darker. I'm so sorry. I'm going so fast. Okay. Fast. Move. And then up here in this little loft thingy, it's part of a brush and I got out the stethoscope. It's a cute little loft thingy. So that's fun. She was just petting her. That. Then we come over here to the weaning pasture. This is Lightning Thief's daughter, May, or Mayflower. She's in the weaning pasture. And she's sad. This is Mary. She's one of our stable hands. She's also a very good rider. She's got an English saddle, saddle pad, and she's riding Starry Night without stirrups. Bad girl. And this is another one of the weaning poles. Starstruck's daughter. Blossom, or the blossom that blooms in the meadow. And this is Emily. She's that little girl's sister. And she's older though. She's just riding, tagging along. So I'm going to give you an overview of the whole parts, all the parts. Sorry, it's dark. Big bag. Oh yeah, sorry, it's really dark. My beautiful halter, and I will sell them. Awesome tack room. Feed. Awesome loft. Weaning and riding. Our arenas kind of like this big thing. You can ride really anywhere. It's awesome cool grass stuff. So I hope you enjoyed. And it's starting to rain. I need to go. So bye.